Hi, this is Jazz and welcome to JaStyled. So for today's episode, I'm gonna do a DIY project. So I'm gonna transform my collection of thrifted jars or potteries into more gorgeous decor pieces. So these are my aged thrifted pottery. I love their uneven textures and quaint shape, but their colors are not the very best. So I'm gonna give them a fresh new look by painting them with my preferred color. So when I use them as decor pieces, they will blend well with my color palette and my style at home. So for this project, I got me this boys and white paint and this yellowish rose sienna latex paint. And I also have this wood burnt sienna latex paint. And of course, I have baking powder. I have lacquer thinner, so it's easier to clean up the mess. And I have also used containers and the sponge and of course paint brushes. I have big one and smaller one and plastic spoon and stick for mixing and blending. So to achieve color variation, I'm gonna use a different color. So of course I have baking powder and I wanna blend this well with my acrylic color paint. This is black. I'm gonna use this for some of my jars. So this is our first batch of pottery that we're gonna paint today. The sun is shining brightly today, which is really good. So yeah, we have to get this done real quick so we can take advantage of the sunny day. So for this procedure, I'm adding some strokes of white paint on this light sienna or rose beige jars. So I'm doing the same for maybe a couple of jars like this big jar here, so that when they are grouped together, they would look really lovely alongside each other. You can also put clay or cocoa powder to achieve that aged antique look. So yeah, there's actually no rules here. You can do whatever you want with your jars or vases. So just have fun with it. And this is the result. I'm really loving how this project turned out. Here in our living room, I used my newly transformed collection of potteries to style our TV stand. I added some dried flowers to complete the overall ensemble. Yes, these vases are relatively, too many to display, but they don't look cluttered because they belong to the same color palette and they look so attractive when styled alongside each other. And these two lovely black potteries here are my absolute favorite. They are stunningly beautiful, especially when I added my emerald green dried leaves. And the batteries blend well with my big black mirror here. I'm so proud of this creation. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again next time. Thank you. Bye.